In this video, we're going to explore two sounds. The first sound is on. Now, I-O-N, when the three letters are together in a word, make a on sound. You can't hear the I in on. The other sound we're going to explore is a shin sound. If we put the letter T with the on, the T actually sounds like a sh sound, shun. Let's have a look at a few words. Discussion, discussion. When you have a discussion with somebody, you talk about something. These three people here are having a discussion. This lady is having a discussion with someone or multiple people on a telephone. These two people here are having a discussion, probably about something in this text which they are looking at. Confusion. Confusion is when people are confused. When you are confused, you sort of have this type of look on your face. It looks a bit worried, but not so much of a worry. You're just not sure of what's going on. You're not sure of what's happening. You are confused. Confusion. Confusion often happens when instructions aren't clear. Question. Question. Now you can hear that there's a T in here, which is making a slightly different sound rather than on. Question. When you ask a question, you may ask who, what, when, where, or why. Dictionary. Have a look again. The T is put in here. Dictionary. It's a shin sound. A dictionary is a collection of words in alphabetical order with definitions, and definitions are word meanings. Have a look at the word definitions. There's a T-I-O-N. Now, a dictionary, you can have a dictionary in a book, a hard-covered book or a soft-covered book can be a dictionary. You can have an online dictionary, or you can have a dictionary app. They also serve the same purpose, to provide the users with the correct spelling of words, to provide them with meanings and other information such as pronunciation. Addition. Addition is when you add something. Let's demonstrate that here. I might have 2 plus 1 equals 3. When you add something, you combine them two together. So you add them and count the totals. Subtraction. Subtraction is when you take away. So you might have 3 to start off with. Subtraction is when you take away 3, take away 1 equals 2. For a moment, let's just focus on these 3. 3 take away 1 equals 2. Subtraction. Multiplication. Multiplication means to times. It means groups of. You may have the multiplication problem 2 times 2, or 2 multiplied by 2. This means 2 groups of 2. Here's one group of 2. Here's another group of 2. One group of 2. 2 groups of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 gives you a total of 4 altogether. Let's have a look at division. Division means to divide or put into groups of. Okay, so let's have a look at the number 4. We've got 4 and I want to divide it into 2. I need to put my 4 into 2 groups. Okay, so let's draw 2 groups. Here's one group, 2 groups, and let's divide or share the 4 equally. 1 for you, 1 for you, One for you, one for you. How many are in each group? 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. This is division. Suggestion. When you make a suggestion, you offer a possibility. So you can come up with a solution to a problem. You can offer more than one suggestion or more than one ways to solve a particular problem. Caution. Caution. If you caution someone, you let them know that there is a danger. You let them know that they need to be careful, to take extra care. This caution here is telling you, caution, it is poisonous. This one, caution here, is telling you, caution that the floor may be slippery. Section. Section is a word which refers to part of an object or a thing that you're talking about. This is a house. However, I may just be talking about this section of the house. I might have a pizza, and this section of the pizza might be burnt. You may have a book, and you may be referring to a section of the book, which means a part of the book. Compassion. Compassion. If you have compassion for someone, you have empathy for them. You have feelings for them. This boy here is showing compassion for the older man who is helping him walk across the road. If you have compassion for someone, you care about them. Here at school, we support Project Compassion, where we donate money, and our money is given to Caritas Australia in order to support and care for people who don't have as much as what we do. We show compassion. Celebration. Well, you all know what a celebration is if you think of your birthday. When you celebrate something, you enjoy it, okay? But you celebrate in different ways. These monks here are having a celebration. In Canada, this is the Canadian flag, so they celebrate a particular day. We celebrate Christmas. Christmas is a celebration. Easter. Easter is a celebration. Position. When you're talking about position, you are referring to the location of something. If I look at this glass and this spoon, if I describe the spoon's position, the spoon is on the right of the glass. If I describe the position of the spoon now, the spoon is on the left of the glass. If I describe the position of the spoon now, the spoon is in the glass. This lady here is getting into position in order to hit a tennis ball in a game of tennis. Vibration. Vibration is the name or is a word that we give to when things actually move, okay? When they move, they vibrate. It's a constant movement back and forth. You can't actually see sound, but sound is actually air which is vibrating. And if you record it, it looks like this. The sound from the speakers vibrate in order for you to hear the sound. Here's a little experiment. While you're sitting there, if you get your fingers and place your fingers on the outer part of your neck, place them just over here on your neck, and then if you make a sound, you can feel the vibrations. The vibrations is the movement of the air going through here. Put your hand there again. Can you feel the vibration? Vibration. Fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. Here I have a whole circle. I'm going to divide this circle into fractions. This is a fraction. It is 1/5. If you look at the circle, it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1/5. Now I have 2/5. 2/5 I've taken away and 3/5 are left over. These are fractions. Fraction is a part of a whole. Well, I have a whole square here. I can do the same. This time we'll divide it into 3. So I have divided my square into 3 equal parts. This is a fraction, this is a fraction, and this is a fraction. Put all those fractions together and you have a whole fraction. Operation. Sometimes if you are very ill, the doctor may say that you need to go to hospital to have an operation in order to get better. There are lots of different types of operations. An operation is when a doctor and the nurses work on your body in order to fix it. Last year I had 2 operations on my knee to make my knee better. You can also have an operation which is like a task. Here we have 2 aeroplanes. They're actually 2 US Air Force planes. Now they might have an operation to save somebody. They may have an operation to bring peace to a country. An operation is a task which can be done.